You're giving your time, your energy, and your heart to people who wouldn't do the same for you, and you don't even realize it until you're completely drained. The truth is, some people only keep you around because you're useful to them. They don't value you, they don't respect you, and they definitely don't care about your well-being. But here's the worst part. It's not their fault. It's yours. You're the one giving them unlimited access to your life. You're the one letting them take more than they give. You're the one hoping, praying that one day they'll treat you better. They won't. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to identify the wrong people, stop wasting your energy on them, and finally start investing in people who actually deserve you. Most people don't realize they're investing in the wrong people until it's too late. They only wake up after they've been drained, betrayed, or completely exhausted from trying to make a one-sided relationship work. So how do you know if you're making this mistake? Here's a hard truth. If you constantly feel exhausted, unappreciated, or anxious in a relationship, whether it's a friendship, a romantic relationship, or even a family connection, you're investing in the wrong person. Let's break it down. Here are 5 major signs you're giving your time and energy to the wrong people. 1, they only come around when they need something. Ever had a friend who disappears for months, only to suddenly text you, "Hey, how have you been?" And 5 minutes later, they're asking for a favor? These people don't actually care about you. They care about what you can do for them. A real connection isn't transactional. It's not about who can use who. But when you're dealing with the wrong people, you'll notice a pattern. They only call when they need a ride, a loan, a place to stay, or a shoulder to cry on. But where are they when you need something? Nowhere. That's not a real relationship. That's an unpaid job. 2, they don't celebrate your success. A real friend claps when you win. They're genuinely happy for you when you get a promotion, start a new relationship, or accomplish a goal. But the wrong people? They'll act distant. They'll change the subject. They'll make passive-aggressive comments like, "Oh, must be nice." Why? Because your success makes them insecure. They don't want you to shine too brightly because it makes them feel small. But here's the truth. The people who truly love you will never feel threatened by your success. They'll encourage it. 3, they make you feel small. You ever notice how some people subtly put you down? Maybe they joke about your dreams in a way that doesn't feel like a joke. Maybe they roll their eyes when you talk about something important to you. These are the people who will gaslight you into thinking you're overreacting when you call them out. They'll say, "I was just kidding," or "You take everything so seriously." But deep down, you know the truth. They're not joking. They're slowly making you doubt yourself. They don't want you to grow because if you do, you might outgrow them. And that's exactly what you should do. 4, they don't respect your boundaries. Ever had someone guilt trip you for saying no? You tell them you're busy and they act offended. You set a boundary and they accuse you of being selfish. The wrong people will always make you feel bad for priority. They want unlimited access to your time, energy, and emotions, but they give nothing in return. And here's the key. Real love respects boundaries. Fake love sees boundaries as an inconvenience. Five Dani Budi, they drain your energy. You know that feeling when you hang out with someone and leave feeling exhausted? Like they just dumped all their problems onto you and now you're carrying their emotional baggage? That's a sign. Real relationships don't feel like a weight on your shoulders. They feel like a safe space. If someone constantly drains you, it's time to reevaluate their place in your life. Now, at this point, you might be thinking, "But I've known them forever. or but their family, or but they've been through a lot. Listen, history doesn't equal loyalty. Blood doesn't equal love. And someone's struggles don't justify them treating you like garbage. If someone constantly makes you feel drained, disrespected, or unappreciated, it doesn't matter how long you've known them. You owe it to yourself to walk away. But I get it. Cutting people off is hard. So let's talk about how to stop investing in the wrong people. Step 1. Recognize your worth. The biggest mistake people make is believing they have to earn love, respect, or attention. No. The right people will appreciate you just for being you. If someone only values you when you're useful to them, they never truly valued you. Step 2. Set clear boundaries and enforce them. A boundary is only real if you stick to it. If you tell someone, I don't have time for this right now, and they keep pushing and you give in, you're teaching them that your boundaries don't matter. So the next time someone ignores your limits, hold the line. Step 3. Pay attention to actions, not words. People will tell you they care. They'll tell you they're sorry. They'll promise to change. But words mean nothing if their actions stay the same. Watch what they do, not what they say. Step 4. Stop making excuses for people. We all do it. Oh, they're just going through a rough time. They didn't mean it like that. Maybe. But if someone's consistent behavior makes you feel unappreciated, it's time to stop excusing it. Step 5. Surround yourself with people who pour into you. Life is too short to waste on relationships that drain you. Find people who uplift you, who celebrate your wins, who respect your time and energy. Those are the ones who deserve you. Now, let me leave you with one final thought. When you stop investing in the wrong people, you don't just free yourself, you also make room for the right people to enter your life. Think about it. If you're too busy chasing people who don't care about you, how will you ever have time to build real relationships with those who do? It's time to stop settling. It's time to stop hoping that people will change. It's time to start respecting yourself enough to walk away from anyone who doesn't. And if you want to learn more about protecting your energy and building better relationships, watch the next video on your screen right now.